Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're at my well, kind of my new log yard, new carving spot. Kind of give you guys a little look here. Just got a few big logs here. That's an 18-inch bar on my MS 271. You know, logs that are 1.5 feet, 2 foot across. Back there's like 2.5 feet. Got some big pieces here. So the plan is to carve bigger pieces here. Today I'm going to be working on possibly doing like a cub climbing and either a beehive or some honeycomb, like in a tree. Just kind of winging it. We'll see how it goes. Be sure to stick around, give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you're not already, and start making some sawdust. Alright guys, figured I'd slow it down. We could do a little walk around here. We got a bear reaching up for what will be the honeycomb. Arm, belly, kind of bent leg, right? So we got some overcuts, no big deal. We'll fix those with glue and wedges at another date. I'm not prepared to do glue and wedges on site here, so at some point this stuff will go back to the house and get, you know, finished up there. But I'm trying to get all the big heavy lifting done here. So he's got his arm wrapped around a tree, other leg kind of bent, and a foot pointing it out. Sometimes it's tough to see. So here we are again, tree branch, honeycomb, tree, tree, tree. Boy, lots of traffic around here. So back there is all woods. Behind me, there's a nice hedgerow, probably 15-20 feet deep, and then a busy road, but it's a nice spot. It is a nice spot. Hey, while we're here, right, you guys are looking, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe. It really does a lot for my channel and a lot for other YouTube channels too. If you're not giving it a thumbs up, other people might not be getting to see the video you're watching. So also leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, let me know what you guys think so far. Hope you're enjoying it. Oh yeah, when you guys hit subscribe, be sure to hit that bell and hit all. I also would like to add, you guys can follow me, blah, blah, blah. It's hot out here. I'm getting duh. You guys can follow me on social media. There will be links down below in the description, links to tools and a bunch of other cool stuff. So be sure to stop by, check that out. And I got to refuel some saws. Probably take a quick commercial, and we'll get back to making some sawdust. Thanks for watching. Don't go anywhere. Hey guys, so check it out. In just a minute, we're going to go to the regular sound of the video, but it's in high speed. I decided not to end the video with any music because a storm rolls in when I was doing the painting, and I don't know, if you listen close, you can hear the thunder and the rain, so enjoy. Alright guys, so that's it. The carving is done. There's a couple surprise pieces on it though that I added. Maybe you already saw. I'm going to do a walk around, point them out, show you guys the piece. Hope you enjoyed this carve. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you guys haven't already. Also, I'll have social media links down below, links to tools that I'm using or something similar. You guys can follow those, purchase through those links to help support the channel. And you can also become a member if you want to help support directly. If not, no worries. Hit subscribe, check out some other videos. Let's take a closer look at this carving. So here it is. We got honeycomb with some honey dripping. Got a little bee up here. We added another bee down on his nose. Kind of gave him some worried eyes there, staring at the bee on his nose. Gonna keep him a brown bear. 2 pieces of honeycomb. And we got another bee over here. So we got 3 bees on this piece. Kind of did a rock cutout. Each one of these pieces are concaved for a nice look. Walk around here. Got his paw, lower paw. We've got this piece where it's like missing the bark. I decided just to keep it like the wood black. It's just, I don't know, the contrast looks good. I like it. Give it some depth, right? I like this bark look and this color. It looks great. I'm glad I decided to keep the bear brown. I don't know, I just like the way he looks in that face. I think he came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Again, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you guys haven't already. Check out some videos popping up, and I will see you guys next time.